Welcome again, Military Gooner TV. A sad day in the office for Arsenal Football Club. A very, very sad day in the office. And I'm not even sure where to start. Alright, let me take a sip first. Drinking away my sorrows. Now, Arsenal Football Club, you are destroying a lot of lives. You are destroying the life of some kids, some wives, some bars. You're destroying everything that is related to the club. How are you doing it? When you sell dreams, ensure that the dream that you're selling, it is reachable. You cannot sell a dream in which you cannot achieve. You're selling your fans massive amount of dreams, big dreams. Aim for the sky. And at this point in time, we're not hitting the cloud. We're falling right down. So, Arsenal Football Club, thumbs up. Thumbs up for destroying so many lives. Thumbs up for destroying so many lives. Anyways, a very, very, very poor performance again. I'm so upset. An upsetting performance, a woeful performance, a lackluster performance. Now, we cannot come every day and preach the same things as fans, but the players are not seeing it. The players are on social media and they are talking. They're saying this, they're saying that. They say, come on, you gunners, ye gunners, all these type of things. But yet still on match day, they are not performing at optimum best. How long will the same set of players throw another manager, or before they throw another manager under the bus? And we as fans, the first thing that we're going to look at is the manager. We're going to beat the manager. We're going to constantly beat the manager. 4 managers have went through the same set of players. Arsene Wenger, Unai Emery, Lundberg, and now Mikel Arteta. Is this something that is sustainable? We can kill the managers all we want until we get rid of some of these players with the stupid, non-believing mentality. On that pitch today, I can say I saw 3 players out of 11 players, or 4, I would say 4 players. That is Bernd Leno, even though he could have done better with the save, and will not kill him because it was actually a deflected shot. Bernd Leno, Gabriel, Kieran Tierney, Saka. These are the players that I saw on the pitch where I can say these guys left everything on the pitch. The other players, Aubameyang, Granit Xhaka, Ceballos, Willian. These players are to be binned. No more protecting of Aubameyang. No more protecting of Aubameyang. No. What I'm seeing right now is Mikel Arteta out. And once you see Arteta out start trending, all the negative fan base will rise. Those negative persons who are just there sitting and waiting for something to happen, you'll just see them rise, because this is their perfect opportunity to be heard. Their perfect opportunity to be heard. And Arteta out should not be trending. Some of these players should be trending. Aubameyang out should be trending. Willian out should be trending. Kolasinac out should be trending. And let me tell you, when you have players that are way below par in training, at optimum best, even the better players will gradually become poor. If those players are not trying to meet the requirements, you're going to see that the better players will decline. One of the best players on the pitch today took one in his face to show the cause, that is Gabriel. He put his body on the line to protect the goal. And when you see Aubameyang up front, lackluster, shrugging, dropping his head, this is Aubameyang should be stripped of the captaincy armband. He should be stripped of the captaincy armband. For too long now, we haven't seen him done anything. He's the first one you would definitely see start to drop his head and start to downplay in the middle of the game, and that is not good. And he is the captain. Granit Xhaka, you have done your time. 4 seasons, and 4 seasons were in the Europa League. You were being outrun, outmaneuvered, outplayed on all different levels. Granit Xhaka, you are done. You are definitely done. Anyways, player ratings. This is going to be an easy one. Leno in goal, 5. Could have done better with the other goal. I said it was a deflection, but 5, nothing more than that. Hector Bellerin, 2. Very, very poor, extremely poor. Hector Bellerin, 2. David Luiz, when you got injured, you should have came off. You should have came off because you were playing extremely cautious because of the injury. David Luiz, 3. Gabriel, my man of the match, I'll give him a 7, and he's the man of the match. I'll give him a 7. Man of the match for Arsenal, and I'll give him a 7. So, Kieran Tierney, 5. In the midfield, Granit Xhaka, 2. Dennis Ceballos, 2. You share that point. Willian, 3. Yeah, you had an assist? 3. Very, very poor. Joe Willock, 5. You worked very hard. You worked extremely hard and you were trying. Saka, 5 as well. You were trying and you worked very hard. I cannot give you guys anything more than this. Aubameyang, 2. Extremely poor from the captain, and I said strip him of the armband, give it to Kieran Tierney or Gabriel. These are the guys who are showing fight. Give it to them. Give it to someone who cares, not only someone who's going to talk. Someone who cares about playing the game where it is important. Give it to someone who cares. That is my player ratings. I won't judge any other player that whatever. And it is so frustrating because these are the same players that threw Unai Emery under the bus, and we as fans are expecting better from them. They are not good enough. I want to slate Arteta. I definitely want to slate Arteta. The reason why I cannot slate Arteta, the first thing first is that we were calling out for a change of system and what we wanted. And now we as fans, we have gotten what we wanted, and we're seeing worse. Arteta was playing a system, a defensive structural system, and he was reaping rewards from it in his perspective. But we as fans, we said, okay, no, we want to see attacking football because that is what we're used to. That is what is embedded in our system. Now we're starting to see that he adjusts his system to facilitate the fans. But yet still, what is being highlighted is the quality of the players now. These players are just not good enough. And I cannot see Arsenal Football Club moving any further with them. Lacazette came on, I didn't even know he was even on the pitch. The last play of the game was Aubameyang trying to cross a ball inside the 18-yard box, in which it should have been the other way around. Someone getting the ball to him inside the 18-yard box, and Aubameyang cannot jump or head a ball to save himself. And that was a very, very poor performance. Please share and look out for the review from the Arsenal fans. So I got a few fans to do a review. Look out for it. Share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Military Gooner.